Welcome to Module 4, Getting Set Up on Vending Village. In this module, we're going to cover setting up your Vending Village profile, verifying your account, creating a listing, reviewing the transaction process, and reviewing the FAQs. Module 4, Lesson 1, Setting Up Your Profile. To set up your profile, you're going to want to go to the circle in the top right and click. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. From there, you'll notice that you can add your photo. You'll want to add a photo. People are going to be spending up to $1,500 with you or more. They're going to want to know who you are, and it should look professional. Next, the buyers will see your name. Your display name will be your first name and the initial of your last name. Next, your profile bio. You want to emphasize to them securing high traffic locations in the areas in their need for the machine type that they need, and also that they receive buyer protection on Vending Village. Buyers will check out your profile before buying, so you want to look professional. After that, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes.